how to redeem a code on Steam and unlock the game key. If you would like to redeem a code on Steam or unlock the game key, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Open up Steam and log into your Steam account from the app. On the top left of the screen, go to the option called Games. Select the option called Activate a product on Steam. When you go over here, it will ask you to simply enter the product code. So by entering your code, you will be registering your product with Steam and adding it to your library. You can enter a product code distributed with a retail CD or DVD or other Steam products. Simply enter your product code and then hit the confirm button, and then you'll be able to redeem your game key. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.